Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be styling a wig that I made a long time ago. That's when I was going make wig crazy, okay? And I was like, wait a minute. This wig is a full lace. It's a whole frontal, okay? So then I said, okay, let me style this wig. And it's definitely one that I made, because I can tell the difference. Mine look better than the ones that you buy. And I got the shower cap on my head because I'm deep conditioning my hair. So what you're going to see me doing right now is just flat ironing this hair. And this hair is super soft. And when I was flat ironing, I was like, this ain't going. It'll probably hold a flat iron. But then I wanted more body in it. So I put some curl in it. And yeah, the hair is really good hair, but it does not hold a curl. Maybe I should not have flat ironed it before. I shouldn't flat iron it at all. I just should have put the curls in it. You guys will see what I have to go through with this hair. Right there, I'm at the frontal and I'm going in with my carrot hair wax stick, putting it on the roots of the hair and pressing it with the pressing comb, and then flat ironing it the rest of the way down. About to go in and put some little baby hairs in. And I believe when I made the wig, I already plucked the edges. That's because it looks like I have. So yeah, I did. All I'm doing is just plucking, taking out some baby hair, laying it down, and then gonna leave it, you guys, and see if I can make it do what I do. And I did do the what they call it, the baby hair method. When I pressed it down, as I was saying before, I went in and I did the baby hair method. The Tay method is what they're calling it. And then I was like, I wanted more body to the hair. So you guys will see what I did. I hope I got that footage. I'm almost 100% sure that I did. But right now I'm just doing the baby hairs, you guys. I can't even lie. I can't even fake the funk. Because that Tay baby hair method, when you curl that baby hair under, it makes it so much easier. And I need to remember to keep doing that because I always forget. No, but guess what? I ain't going to forget no more. Okay, you guys, I still wasn't satisfied with the look, and then I went in and tried to put some curls in it after I flat ironed the bone straight. What am I doing right there? Why do I keep doing that? The hair is bone straight. It's not going to do a curl, so I just might as well just leave it alone. And then I thought maybe I should cut it into a bob right now. You guys will see. I just went on and trimmed the ends and figured, okay, once I trim the ends, I can put some curls in it. Didn't happen. Did not happen. Tried to, you guys look. Why am I doing the same thing? Am I insane? And did another curl. You guys will see. And I even sprayed some Got To Be Glued in the yellow can on there. And the curls just stay a little bit better. However, it wasn't good enough. You guys will see. Child, y'all see. Okay, so here we are again. I figured since the curling irons didn't work, I'm going to use these new little thingies that I ordered where you just twist the hair around it. It's a little rubber thing. And then close it up. Okay, you guys will see how that turns out. You guys, this is a picture of what the curls look like after I took the little green plastic rod thingies out. Curls did not last, did not hold, but oh well. It is what it is. And once again, you guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, and subscribe to my other social media platforms. And as usual, in closing, I always say stay blessed.